What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video I would like to test the Bard, the new Google ChatGPT version. Okay, so the ChatGPT opponent, the ChatGPT competitor, okay, from Google. Google recently launched this, okay. If it's not present on your country, all you have to do is use NVPN and enable this to United States, okay. So you can load. Just go to Bard AI in Google. Go to this first link, bard.google.com. You're gonna be into this page after allowing the terms, and let me start before exploring the interface, showing a difference between Google Bard and ChatGPT. I would like to ask for Google, what is the most recent Fast and Furious movie? So Google Bard gonna answer me. And in the same time, I would like to ask this to ChatGPT, both in free versions, okay? So as you can know, ChatGPT don't know informations before 2021, but Google it's connected to internet and knows the information. So as you can see, we have complete answers from actual information. Only this already makes Google Bard better than ChatGPT in my personal opinion. However, there is other nice things to do right here. Exploring, for example, the sources where the information was collected and other nice things to do, for example, okay? We have the light theme, if you prefer, the dark theme. Probably this is gonna be an app, probably very sooner, okay? We can change the board activity, FAQs, updates, and help center, okay? So the interface, it's almost like the same as the ChatGPT. However, as you know, Google wants to make it better, and once it's recent, it's gonna be better. I'm gonna use this side right here, the prompt PAL, to ask both AIs to do the same things, okay? So, for example, this one, okay? This is a template, okay, that I can copy the prompt and try to remove the best of the AI. So let me copy this prompt and post right here into ChatGPT. And the same prompt goes to Google AI, okay? So as an owner of company size, this is a cover letter, okay? A business proposal template, okay? So I have changed these parts, okay? For example, as an owner of a software company with 10 employees in web development field, so I just changed this part right here, okay? In order to make it more real. So I'm gonna do the same questions for both AIs and try to see the difference, how they work. And I'm gonna share with you and let you decide which writes better. So this one is the Google one. I recommend that you pause the video in order to read it better, okay? And we also can Google it. ChatGPT is already writing, it's still writing. And this is the one from ChatGPT. As you can see, both have different structures, different styles of writing, but both write really comprehensive, good works. However, I tend to prefer the Google one that have more accurate titles and subtitles, okay? So in my opinion, this one seems like a good one. But it's up to you. Do your test, see what fits better for your needs, okay? But let me try to explain something more SEO related, for example. So let's continue. I would like to ask something more related to SEO. So give me 10 top keywords for an article about digital marketing, okay? Let me ask to Google and let me ask the same thing to ChatGPT. Seems very good, okay, seems very comprehensive. However, let's try the Google one. As we cannot see, some things changed a little bit, maybe because Google have more updated data, they can perform better in these queries. And as you can see, Google already tried some additional topics, and this I did not ask, but it's very useful information. And ChatGPT only answers my question. They did not try to help further. Okay, so in my opinion, these two AIs are really good as tools for our work. We need more tests, of course, but as the first review, I can tell that Google it's my favorite. I can tell you this for you, but I still like a lot from ChatGPT. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. You have something to say, any question, let me know. Don't forget to check our Bard's free WordPress plugin, or Enzo free WordPress theme, our free platform for guest postings, to receive posts, to publish posts, to connect with a blogger community from growth with 3ws.net. You can submit your site there for free. And in the case that you are in need of the best WordPress templates, plugin, theme, support, and elements to build up your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go premium to unlock our support, icons, templates, blocks, widgets, and many more features in order to do your site, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!